Hello everyone, welcome to my holiday house tour. Today I'm going to be showing you all of the decor in my beautiful home. I'm not really wearing makeup, so I don't want to be on camera, so let's get started. So I'm sure you'll recognize this door. Again, I bought us some beautiful bells. These are literally from the dollar store, and I love them. They're so cute and festive. And what's nice is that, like, because they jingle when you open the door, they're also like a festive anti-burglary device. So very into that. I'm all about the small little touches and just making everything look perfect. So I just thought having a little something on the closet doorknob would just give it a little more festive energy. So this is actually an ornament that I got from At Home. She's so pretty. Everyone knows this is like my favorite color. And she's sparkly, and she's basically just like a snowflake. And I think this was like $3.99. So you know what? We're into it. Then I wanted our entryway to have a nice festive feeling right when you walk in. So I'm sure you guys will recognize this beautiful little tree from my haul. It's from Home Goods. And I love it. I love it so much. And then I just have some, holiday candy in this little vintage candy bowl, which is not Christmas, but there are Christmas kisses in there, so, Moving over to my pride and joy, my bar cart. Is she the cutest bar cart ever? I kind of think so, guys. I don't know. So, over here, I have this really adorable little candy cane kind of apothecary jar vibe going on. So, she's from Target, I want to say. And then I just threw some little holiday kisses in my little crinkle bowl from CB2 to keep it festive. The most important aspect is, of course, the snowflake lights. They just make everything feel so much more festive, and I love it. In fact, you know what? Let's go turn off the lights, and I will show you guys how good it looks in the dark. Boom! She is festive. I love that they just bring light and just cuteness to this little corner. And what's nice is that the little battery box fits right in that little Stoli mug, so Then under here I have these gorgeous, gorgeous pink trees from a local kind of like home decor boutique, and I'm pretty sure they opened fairly recently, so I'm glad that they have been surviving the current state of the world. And my mom actually surprised me with the first one on the left. I had seen it in there and I was like, oh, I don't know. I'm so used to buying like really affordable stuff at Target. I think they're like $30 a piece. And I was like, I don't know. And my mom surprised me with it. And then she needed a gift for someone, and she surprised me with another one. And she's just the literal best. And I love them so much. They're so pretty. They're like kind of opalescent, and I just love them. So when you swing around this way, we have my cute little, this is basically the closest I'll ever come to a DIY, but this is like a really cute little vase situation. I need to wipe the vase. It gets gross for me touching it every day with like lotion on my hands. But anyway, so I just bought these like sparkly pine cones and then these little mini ornament sets. All from Michael's, and they've been doing a lot of coupons and sales, so I just thought that this was really cute and fun and affordable, and my mom had an extra vase, so I didn't even have to buy one. And then up over here on the wall is my little Santa wine tasting little wood block guy, just so that we have a little something over there on the wall, you know what I'm saying? So next we're going to come over this way just to see a couple more little details. First of all, this candle I have burning is Santa's Elves by Iron and Willow Candle Company. If you are not burning Iron and Willow candles in your home, what are you doing? Get on their Etsy shop right now. This one is like Fruit Loops meets Christmas, and I love it. And I just have a couple little tiny trees. Yeah, so I just, you guys have seen these from my hauls and stuff. This is actually also from that little home boutique. My mom put this little pink one in there too. It's kind of hard to tell here. So you can see. It's just like a little cute pink one. So adorable. So I love having like a lot of small accents because you can really put them anywhere and just jazz up a space. Also, this is my vintage Beverly Wilshire ashtray. Not Christmas, but very cool. So I'm sure you guys recognize this pillow, but we have the queen up here, Miss Hello Kitty herself. Look at her. I love her so much. But yeah, I love this pillow here. It needs a little froof. I just, you know, it's just very simple and nice on the pink couch. Don't get me wrong, I also love things that are elaborate and loud, as you all know, but it's nice to just have this little simple piece with everything else going on too. So coming over here, we have some more fun, cool pieces. This is yet another present from my incredible mother. She's just the coolest, and I love her. Hi, Mom, if you're watching. So this is also from that little home boutique, and I just was like, Santa would look so cute on these books. So I put him on top of my little Prada book. He doesn't look centered right now. Let's center him. That's better. So I love him. And then we just have the little vintage Christmas tree from Crate and Barrel next to my little vintage Avon bottle. So they're just hanging out in the bookshelf to just give a little festive feel to my bookshelf, because I have a little space on my top shelf. And I love it. I love the lights. It just makes me feel really, really happy. And I really love the holidays. So next, we're coming over here to the other side of the living room. We have another adorable Hello Kitty because, I mean, you can never have enough. Here's another Target tree. There's like a lot of Target trees in this house. I bought this one last year, and it sat in my room at my parents' until I moved here, and I'm so happy I have it. We don't have a great spot for a tree because we don't have like a good outlet located where we would have space for a tree, so presents are just chilling right there. At least there's no spoilers, but no peeking anyway. Then coming over here, we just have this little tree from my haul that I'm sure you guys remember. And then my mom actually gave me this awesome snowman shaped candy dish. So I just filled him up with these cute little like festive like Santa and like ornament looking little chocolates from the dollar store. I don't know if the chocolates are any good, but I figured they're from the dollar store, so I don't have to spend a lot of money, and I can always like chop them up and throw them in some cookies or something, you know? And then I switched my coasters out for these really cute Feliz Navidad ones. I'm like bilingual-ish, and my boyfriend is Mexican, so we sometimes, not as much anymore, but we used to talk to each other in Spanish, and I just thought that this was like a cute little nod to him and to us. So, and they're just so festive and cute. I love them. Next, we probably have my favorite spot, the chair with all of my goodies. So, the Santa one was a gift from my mom last year, but then I bought the ugly sweater and the reindeer one to just really complete the trifecta this year. And I love them. I think they're so goofy and cute. And I adore them. Coming over here, we have the really pretty reindeer from At Home. I love them. They're like this dark green, and they're just so gorge. Green is my favorite color, and I love the green and the gold. And then on this shelf in the TV stand, I just have this really cute little gingerbread house from Michael's that I love. And I think I like having all the little details tucked in there, you know, just like a little Christmas everywhere you kind of look. So, and I have some really nice ambient Christmas music on the TV from YouTube. So, yeah. So we're going to kind of move this way. I'm obsessed with this tree. It fits perfectly here. I was sitting here one night and I'm like, I need like a little cool conical tree. So I actually got this at our local like a garden center / like Christmas tree farm. And we've been getting our Christmas tree from them forever. And I saw that and I was like, you need to come home with me. So she did. So coming back this way, we have our really pretty rose gold bottle brush tree from Target. And the sparkly rose gold little like deer situation. So there's our CB2 snowmen. I love them. They're back in stock on the site. I'm so happy because I noticed that they were completely gone from the site at one point. So they're back. Is there a part of me that wants to get another one of each size and do like a fancy mantle situation in the future? Yeah, there is. Here's my amazing friend's advent calendar from my sister. I love you, sis. Thank you. I love it. It's so cute, and I love an advent calendar moment. And then this isn't really decor, but I did get this really cute, like airtight sealed little container at the dollar store. Again, I went ham at the dollar store. And there are Christmas cookies that I made in there. And my mom made some of our, or put some of our favorite recipes on little recipe cards for me to have. And I love you. Yeah, we're a Christmas loving bunch in my family. Okay, so coming over here, we have the little tree farm woodblock guy that I showed you guys in my haul. So adorable, and I thought it tucked in really nicely there. Once again, to just add like a little splash of Christmas. And here we have my beloved fat polar bear spoon rest. My mom named him Pasquale, so we're calling him Pasquale. And I also have Santa hanging out in here. He was literally $1 at Michael's, and I just thought that he would be like, you know, a cute way to add like a little touch of Christmas, even to the utensil holder. And then over here I have this really cute little, what do they call these signs? Like flapboard signs or something? Clapboard? I'm making myself sound so stupid, and I literally have 2 English degrees. It's okay, guys. We all have our moments. And then my mom got me this really cute little wine glass. And I just thought it was like funny and cute. And so I use it, but it also kind of, because it's so cute and festive, is like decorative. So I just keep it next to there, and I think that they look cute next to each other. And they look cute next to my pistachio green KitchenAid. So. And of course, it wouldn't be Christmas without Christmas kitchen towels, guys, okay? What can I say? We love. And we have the other one over here. In fact, we literally even have Santa's cookie and spokes. Do with that what you will. And then on your way out, we have this really cute little candy cane sign. And I think I got this for like $5 at Target last year in like the Bullseye's Playground section, which is where all the affordable stuff is. And it's just really cute. So there's everything so far. I wish I had Christmas magnets, I'm not gonna lie. So then over here, we just have my little Pikachu ornament. He's hanging on the knob of our little linen closet because, like I said, we don't really have a great spot for a tree. The only place we could have maybe put it was right there, but I was nervous about having it next to our table where we eat and stuff, and like ornaments getting knocked to the ground, so I might put up a teeny tiny tree. So coming into the very elegant bathroom, of course, Christmas towel, like how could you not? Home for the holidays, and it's gray, so it kind of just goes with the vibe of the bathroom. So I don't buy stuff from Bath & Body Works anymore because they're obviously not cruelty free anymore, but this wallflower little nightlight situation is like a cute Christmas tree. So my mom gave me this little set of mini Christmas tree shaped candles. They're old, but they're from Crate & Barrel, and then even our, even our Kleenex box is Christmas. And I even have a little Christmas tree up here by my perfume, and we love it. We love Christmas, and we love tiny candles. All right, let's swing on over to the bedroom and finish this tour up. So here we are. I'm sure this room looks familiar. So over here on the closet, I just bought these little ornaments. They're, again, like the dollar store really came through for me. So they basically came in sets of 2. So I got a red set and a green set. And I just have them kind of alternating on the closet doors, just to keep it cute. And they're nice and jingly and loud in the morning when we're trying to like not wake each other up. So that's great. Over here, I have this really cute little Santa. He's just like a little squishy Santa. I think there, it looked like I was about to like murder him. So he's very bright. Over here, I actually don't have a lot of room for decor up here, as we know. So I just have that little skinny tree from Target. You know, they were like $1 each. I think I showed you guys that in my haul too. So just a little touch up there. Oh, and how could I forget another one of our little miniature tree candles. So coming over here, first of all, my mom got me this Charlotte Tilbury like 12 Days of Christmas Advent thing, and you guys, it's freaking amazing. So to finish up over here on the nightstand, we have, of course, how could we not, a festive Kleenex box. When you have allergies, you gotta keep Kleenex by your bed. It's just how I live my life. And then I have another little tree candle from Crate & Barrel, and another little gold tree from Target. And honestly, guys, like, that's it. Also, Rodney is my favorite Animal Crossing Islander / villager, and I love him. And you guys should let me know who you love in the comments. So yeah, that is it, y'all. That's the holiday tour. Alright everyone, so that was it for our little holiday home tour. I hope you liked this. I hope you feel inspired or at least entertained. The way this is bunching up is truly so unflattering. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my home, and I know I said it in my last video, but I know the holidays are hard this year, and if you are feeling like your holiday is not as special, just know that I am sending you the happiest, most positive, most uplifting, and joyous holiday energy. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, maybe give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Click the bell, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have an amazing holiday. Bye.